So kule video le ngizobe ngenza what they call tape reading, ne-top down analysis top down analysis of lephele. Okay, so currently njengoba i-market ibhaya, it is buying off of this le fair value gap le. This fair value gap. Then for those aba-trader inverse fair value gap, IFVG, so nayi la phansi. So for a precise entries we go for inverse, so yiyo le la phansi. Okay, sesiyazi ukuthi i-market ibuyaphi. Currently it is trading inside i-fair value gap, this fair value gap right here. So mina into engifuna ukuyibona ukuthi ijike la ikhona uma-sell. So mangayehla then izo-clear the sell side liquidity la, sell side liquidity here. Yeah. So with top down analysis, you always start on a higher time frame, then you move down to lower time frames. Let's say if you are going to trade to get a move precise, so ya ku 1 hour. Kuma lower time frames, into esiyi-check-ayo sibheka i-market maker buy model or i-market maker sell model. Now, so into esiyi-check-ayo le. So la ku 1 hour ngibona this volume imbalance right here. So ingasinikeza i-move esuka la ezoya phansi, right? Then 15 minutes. Okay, so njengoba bengisho ukuthi kuma lower time frames ubheka ini, market maker sell model or i-market maker buy model, because manje sifuna i-sell, so sizobheka ini, market maker sell model. So market maker sell model is something like this. So we have a move up, an impulse move up, correction or a retracement, then impulse up, then sibe ne break of structure, besibuye futhi retest, bese iyayehla. So into esifuna ukuyibona le. So i-break of structure ila at this point right here. We can say market structure shift. Why market structure shift? Because the price beya phezulu from yesterday, beya phezulu, then mayifika lapha, mayifika kule high le, on this high ya dropper, ya create low. So let's draw it. So let's say this is our impulse. Okay, it can't be the whole impulse. Okay, so let's say my impulse here too, market impulse, then I created this, then created this, then this low, then a lower high, then a lower low. So mongabheka la, it is similar to what I drew. So i-market structure shift yethu yenzeke la at this point right there. So we had a shift from lapha, then the market yaqala ukusela. So currently it is selling because of it tested le fair value gap le. That fair value gap. So it sold, then came back up. So yeah, 5 minutes. Yeah, phezulu, let's say 3 minutes. Then it went up to test the fair value gap le. Good 3 minutes. This one right here. So this is a strong sell because we have confirmations out to of the sell. So sine volume imbalance, this one. Okay, so siyazi ukuthi this one is from the daily time frame. Let's guy sell if fair value gap le ku daily. So delete. So njengoba ngithi it's a strong sell is because of this volume imbalance nale fair value gap le la ku 3 minutes. So I would like to see the low layer sell side liquidity taken out. And market maker sell model iyenzeka wonke ama time frame. So nala ku 1 minute we can still see that same move. Nah. So let's see, we have this impulse move up. Okay, so now I like correction. So kuma lower time frames in a correction lapha kulela doji. Then we're about to have it. Excuse me. Hope it's clear. Okay, 1 minute. This is what we have, but okay, look 3 minutes and look at it from this time frame. So 1 minute we have the fair value gap line. This one, patterns of marker IFVG. I'll mark this inverse. Let me just mark a fair value gap. Ngibona something. So if this fair value gap I hold, we still have a midpoint of this yale volume imbalance. So it can still come there, basically it drops. But seems like he's a hold. It is holding. Okay, moving nice. le ngiceda ukuyimakha IFVG for a short. So IFVG is inverted or inversion fair value gap or inverse fair value gap. So phuma ukuthi uyibiza kanjani, but mina ngithanda ukuthi inverse fair value gap. Why inverse? It's because I understand ama-functions ukuthi asebenza kanjani. So le fair value gap le, if i-market beyisazochubeka ibhaye, le fair value gap le bekamele isinikeze ibhaye, but ayizange yayenza leyo nto leyo. The price just traded through it. So manje kamele ibuye i-teste, then izosinikeza ini, the opposite of the direction le bekamele isinikeze yona, which is i-sell, hence inverse. So bhekana la ku-1 minute ifike kanjani fair value yakho, fair value gap yakho. Hey. Fair value gap 1 minute. So ngibona something la. So i-market maker buy model, ne? So we have this move right here, a low, lower high, a lower low, just broke a structure, higher high, then so we expecting that move. So le buy yenzeka manje without hold i-bias. So nibonile ngisho ukuthi like I was seeing i-sell. So I'm not holding i-bias yes-sell because now I can see market it's doing it has printed i-market maker buy model. So lokho kusho ukuthi ingabhaya from where it is right now. And we have the not fair value gap, this order block there. So order block, they work similar to the fair value gap. So we have a market maker buy model. So pay my high time frame gains are. Okay. So kunale fair value gap le, kunale order block le, this order block, and it has been tested for 50%. So we might have, we might have a buy from here. Okay. So njengoba ngizotesta this volume imbalance with 50%. So let's see what it does when it gets there. So what can happen, it can just pass through it, then use this fair value gap, this one, that fair value gap, as inverted fair value gap. So calculate with 3 minutes and see what's up. Okay, so we punched through it, so we're expecting to see buy for it to continue. So what price can do now, straight above the fair value gap there, then come back to test it. We say go to our buy side. Oh la la, go back to our buy side. What is GJ doing? Nothing much. So the fair value gap there, this one. Um, let's say the ISO actor as a short fair value gap, so it might take a price down to that sell side liquidity. But if it doesn't and the price is a trader above it, then izoyenzani izo-acta as inverse fair value gap. So I think you will see inverse fair value gap live yenzeka live this video. So let's see. In a stock, usually during London session, it moves slow. So this is slow, man. Mm. Okay, I'm back. Um, so njengoba bengisho vele ukuthi i-price izoyenzani, izo-trade above i-fair value gap. It will trade above fair value gap, then come back inside it bese shoot up. So patience is the name of the game. Always keep that in mind. You need to be patient. The price is slow. Sometimes volatile. Even though volatile, kwamele ube patient and wait for i-setup yakho ukuthi yenzeke. Okay, so seyisebenzile lento bengiyisho ukuthi i-inverse, if kuzoba i-inverse le-fair value gap, the price izo-trade above it, then come back, then shoot up, then yoshaya to test, not to test, so izoshaya that buy side liquidity right there. That is our target. Okay, lo sekasipanile nalo spanning. So now if you look gap right here, current fair value gap. So ngiphozele video le just to make it not to make it long, so bezothatha isikhathi yabo because ngibonile ukuthi izoba yinde, so ngizolibele ngiyiphoza when necessary. So ningayikhohlwa this IFG ukuthi sisasephakathi kwayo le bengimakhile la. Let me just do this. Yeah, let me mark it. This one. Sasephakathi kwayo, so ningayikhohlwa. So IFVG isebenza kanje, something like this. So price yenzeni, oh, nyele yayidlula, traded above it, came back and retested it, then shot up. So fair value i-IFVG le inverted fair value gap. So nala se-expect ukubona the same thing. I think I'm going to come back more one, yeah, around one. Let me see. Yeah, manje sengizowahlanganisa kanjani? Sesizobona. Okay, so niyabona price irespective, I wonder yini leyo. So i-price irespectile le IFVG, this inverse fair value gap. So we're heading for that buy side liquidity lapha. So buy side liquidity, so market maker buy model. So now price ile yaya phansi, created this low, came back up, lower high, lower low, then it broke this high right here to make a new high, higher high, then higher low to higher high. So market maker buy model lana sine shift in market structure. Market structure shift happened right here. Yay, line ifungwa straight. Yeah, Mara, you get it. So market structure shift right there. Perfect. Then Yeah, so expect ukuthi take out that buy side liquidity. Same thing this side. But I trust this fair value gap. So seyisebenzile ngisho. I don't trust that one. Mm. Or izorespecta le order block le. But then fair value gap. Mm, yeah, fair value gap will do. So it respected this order block. Lebe ngayithembi vele. Ngithanda i-price ye-GJ. It's moving perfect. It's faster. So since ngale irrespect order block, so nala sizomaka order block and see ukuthi yenza. But below this order block khona this fair value gap. This fair value gap. So let's see what's gonna happen. So in case you're asking which in order block, order block is the change in the state of delivery. Change in state of delivery. So from lagle order block le engimakhile from yona ukuya phezulu, i-price beya phezulu. Yeah, I will explain it kuma video we last sobe sifunda khona la. I'm just tape reading bamba ukuthi order block, it is the change in the state of delivery. Just a few pips to get there. Hey, but it's not you. It's not a few pips. $22 pips, not a few pips. Nasdaq is moving. Yeah, sibheke i-GJ izowenzani na. So expect ukuthi iyofika lapha ku-buy side liquidity. Okay, angisazi kuyenzakalani-ke ma. Mm. Okay, so we have a volume imbalance la. That small gap nyana la. That I wish I knew this. Like, look here, but my 2020, 2021, so ebesoyibulala ndoda imarket. Fair value gap. Sengizoyikhatha le video. Okay, nayi i-GJ moved nicely. So i-target naya lapha. Ngathi yezoshaya kuqala i-target. But angazi. So if Nasdaq gets there and iyadlula lapha, I'm cutting this video. So obvious nayo iya lapha ku-buy side liquidity. Okay. Yeah, slow, but then umuva kanjalo vele imakhethi nto ifuna ukumuva ngakhona. Fair value gap. Target. Yeah, sizofika vele. Yeah. So higher time frame 15 minutes, let's see. So nazo okay. We have the that over there. Short. So ngingathanda ukuyibona iphinde isela from that point. From that point izocleara i-sell side liquidity right here, because manje izocleara i-buy side and the-sell side ayikakayishaya. I-sell side here, it's either one of the two. So mayiqeda ukucleara i-buy side, then izotrader into that fair value gap, then izosinikeza i-market maker sell model, then kuleyo market maker sell model we're going down. So besiku 1 minute. Come on, another fair value gap. Okay, seyangichomela. Yo, le nto le ayifuni ukuyenza le nto. Okay, so angimangali because Nasdaq usually it moves during New York session because it is a New York futures market, yabo. And in New York session la eSouth Africa iqala ngo-3:30. So during i-London session, which is this green area, le green area le, during London session iya consolidate kakhulu. So yeah, that's why ithatha isikhathi. Unlike i-GBP JPY, GBP JPY, it's because it's a London pair, ingakho yona i-volatile because i-London session it is currently open. Njengoba bengisasho le fair value gap le, another one. So we have inverted fair value gap Nyla. Every time mawuhlangana nento so, let's say market iqala ukuconsolidate inside of i-fair value kaso, expect ukuthi izobhaya. Let me just not say every time but most of the time. mayenza so izokuphaya. Because if le fair value this fair value bezoskyisela bengeke i-hesitate, bezovele isky move like a straight sell, like a move fast sell, njengala ma-fair value lawa eniwabonayo la ku-GBP JPY. Yabona uma ngiceda ukuyimakha i-market yenzani, it just react off of them like very quick. Like very quick, you see. Okay, so I think I'm going to cut. Okay, says Oishai. I'm going to cut the video. So inverse fair value gap ispan level. I will clear it, man. Okay, now that's so pa. That's achieve. So funny close above that buy side. Higher time frames, 15 minutes. So we're waiting for it to reach that buy side lapaya. Then that's it. So bona ukuthi izoyenzani during i-New York session. But I won't record. Yeah, Chrome, I didn't. Nazok. So I sabuya get up. I win. Idade ngiyenza ukuthi ngi-upload i-video ende ke. Ingathi i-clearile ngaleya week. So manipulation time kahle kahle for i-Nasdaq. Yabo ngaleya week leya, that week. So ingabe i-clearile la, that week right there. Ingabe i-clearile le high yami. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close the video here. Yeah, njengoba ngisho i-clearile le high, so it created a new high. Let's see, because this high is higher than that previous high. Angazi niyayibona le nto engiyisho, yebo, i-breakile but failed to close above, so kusho ukuthi i-clearile. Kuma-lower time frames like the seconds, you'll have it close above it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Nah, i-GJ sezoyi-clear i-buy side fit. I just wanted to show it. Ukuthi ihamba kanjani, hhayi ngoba i-Nasdaq iyasichomela, but then akusi-session yayo, so angiyi-blame. But you can see guys, it is about to clear it. Thanks for watching. Thanks again.